Carol. She's down with her daughter Roxanne for a few days, middle of March 2021.
Having a great time.
And we're just enjoying. We had a nice little picnic at Bayview Park here, and looking at a little bit of the culture that goes on daily. People going out to the ocean, catch fish, coming in and cleaning them, and the birds are hoping they'll get a little bit of the scraps. We're having a great time. It's wonderful down here.
The fish is called triple tail.
Okay. Hey, buddy. How are you?
Well, you're as close as I've ever been.
How are you? Oh, I don't have anything to feed you, unfortunately. Look at this one. It's a pretty head. Yeah. We're at Bayside Park in southwestern Naples, and public boat launch here. People catch fish, which these guys have done. The Pelicans want some free food, and so they come in here, beg, grovel to get some free dinner. And Carol is here observing all of this. And so, kind of different. We don't see this up Michigan way.
Anything like white bass, if you know white bass? I don't know white bass. No, that's not pepper. I told my husband.
This is a hog.
That's a hog. Right there.
Everybody's wanting some fresh fish. Whoa. Man, that looks pretty dangerous to me with them big bills. Pretty neat, huh, Carol?
Pretty neat. I got several pictures.
Is that?
Yeah. And that fish is called triple tail. Triple tail.
Yeah, who's still wanting something? Who's gonna get it? We got